So here's a quick review of this projector. Straight out of the box. You get the projector. It's very tiny and slim. Here's the lens, the focus ring, a couple ports, ports for headphones, any aux cord, USB. Disclaimer: you cannot use a flash drive to play any videos from it. It's normally used to mirror your phone. HDMI cord, micro USB to charge the device. Yeah, it is. You could just charge it. You don't have to have it directly plugged into the wall to use. You also get the adapter and the cord to charge the device. HDMI to HDMI cable. A converter. Micro HDMI to HDMI. And then a little stand to put the projector on. And like I said, it is battery powered, so you don't need to have it directly plugged into the wall. Simply hold the power button for like 2-3 seconds. And there you go. And as you can see, it's pretty bright, even though the lights aren't inside my office. But yeah, that's overall. That's it.